eating with my Allora Paris Series Alto Saxophone. It's a professional saxophone. It is my saxophone. I got it back in, I picked it up at the store in San Francisco Guitar Center in May 2019. I'm Tanis Leonhardi of Seattle, and I'm filming this Friday, 29 August 2025. And for this eating with, I have a Franz English muffin with a 4-ounce beef patty, 92% lean, and then with French's yellow mustard. And it's the one I'm including for vehicle racing and design. Why? Because it's one that I actually, when I went and picked it up in store, I ordered it online, and then it took me a little bit of time, and then I ended up picking it up in store in San Francisco. I had a work function at LinkedIn headquarters, and the Guitar Center where I had scheduled to pick it up, or sent it to pick it up, was not too far from LinkedIn headquarters, so I walked. Got it. I had ordered a case because it didn't like specify that there was a case, and then I grabbed the wrong box, and it was the acoustic amplifier stuff, and so I got a lift LYFT back to the east side of San Francisco Bay, because that's where I was living, in Albany, California. And I was like, I don't know about taking all that stuff on the BART, which is like a subway tram kind of system in the San Francisco Bay Area. So it's like, I'm gonna go with the lift. But when I picked it up, I was like, it's not just a saxophone, like, in packaging, or like a saxophone without packaging. There was additional packaging, and I took it back to my house and, unwrapped it, and it came with this beautiful case that has straps. It's a soft, hard kind of case, good for carrying. And how it was packaged, this final product, impacted how it was packaged, and how it was delivered to me. So it worked out okay, because the case that I had ordered and didn't grabbed the wrong box, which worked out okay. I had ordered because I didn't know there was going to be a case. But it did factor in to my getting the product and like shopping experience. And I do marvel at the brand. I'd say it's kind of a brand plus. So it's like there's the musical instrument, or there's the car, and then you can think of like the case as the brand. Allora Paris Series. And I've shown this saxophone on my channel before. It's a black nickel body, nickel being the metal nickel. And the keys are silver plated, silver as in the chemical element silver. It was over $1,000. I bought myself. Yes, me, Tanis Leonhardi of Seattle. So I guess it's kind of an open-ended question, but a good food for thought one. In terms of At what stage would a final product or a delivery impact the design of something? And if so, thinking about applying it to cars, if a car is out and about and has a certain paint, maybe it comes with, or exterior, it comes with a certain coating or casing to protect it from excessive wear. Or there's certain drainage grooves for water. Rain. So thank you for joining my saxophone and I, alto saxophone. Alto saxophone. And I, Tanis, my alto saxophone and Tanis and alto saxophone for the standing with.